BerryBloom Overview. Ever wondered how a sip of nature can transform your day? Meet BerryBloom. This isn't just juice, it's a health booster packed with antioxidants. BerryBloom is crafted from a mouth-watering blend of nature's best berries. Sip on blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, your daily dose of deliciousness. But wait, there's more. Each sip supports your immunity and energy. Packed with ginseng and ashwagandha, it's nature's secret for vitality. Let's talk skin. BerryBloom promotes a radiant glow from within. Feel the heart-healthy benefits and cognitive enhancement too. Ready to let your beauty bloom? Grab a bottle of BerryBloom today. It's time for a berrylicious adventure. Join the BerryBloom family.